Are you ready to go on your first big road trip? Hey, mister? It's our first big road trip. Yeah.
Can I get 2 classic bagel belts?
How much for the bagel?
Everything?
We took a little stop in Port Carling to stop in at Seasonal Residence.
Starting route lane.
But now we're back on the road.
Proceed to Medora Street, then turn right.
But now we're back on the road heading to the cottage, but I picked up this cute little linen set. You guys are gonna see it this week, but I am obsessed. I had a bunch of other really cute clothes there too, and like, wish we had a bit more time, but back on the road. All right, step one is always unload all the vehicles, get inside, get set up. Hi, Mom. Hello. Okay, today is supposed to be the hottest day that we are up here. So we're dressed, bathing suit, about to head in the lake. It's like probably 30-ish, 35 degrees out. Yeah. Good boy. Yeah. Oh. Are you gonna shake right near me? Yeah. I love that the sun went in as soon as I wanted to vlog. We already caught 2 frogs.
2 frogs. Well, is it a frog or a toad?
No, those are both frogs.
Oh, 2 frogs.
Morning. Happy first official day at the cottage. Our first day here is always a little chaotic, just getting sorted, like cleaning the cottage, cutting the grass, all of the like housekeeping and house care things. Everyone always passes out kind of early, so I didn't get to vlog too much yesterday. And it's been kind of rainy and gloomy this morning, so I've also just kind of been sitting and reading, drinking coffee, having a slow morning. I'm currently making some protein pancakes. You guys know I love the Flourish protein pancake mix, and my mom bought some to bring up to the cottage and I had no clue. And she was like, here, have this for breakfast. So currently whipping up some of those for breakfast. But I think it's going to be a mostly like cozy inside reading day today, which I'm actually kind of excited for. Good vibes. We'll see how the day goes. All right, it's currently 7:30, so that means it's time for some fishing. We didn't go last night because we ended up having a campfire, but tonight Mom's looking after Pluto, so me and the boys are going fishing. I like this time of night because it's quieter and calmer and I don't have to sit out in the sun for hours, because they go normally at like 2 p.m.-ish when the sun is like at peak. Not my vibe. I'd rather be sitting on the beach. Oh. Please. Thanks. Aw, he's all gooey.
Well, you can see it.
So little. Throw him back in.
Yeah, very good. There you go. That down.
Happy second to last morning at the cottage. Everybody else is like still like slowly waking up. I'm about to make coffee. We bought this Kinton coffee yesterday at the grocery store and I wanted to try it out because my parents just brought out this little Tim Hortons bag, but we used almost half of it yesterday. So we're gonna try out this one this morning. It is a medium roast blend.
It was late at night. You tossed and turned as thoughts began to play. How can this be life? Every day I will just waste away, saving up the time to spend it all on mindless entertainment, as if we'd find.
Currently, Pluto is hunting toads down on the lead, so I'm gonna sit outside and read for a little bit. We have our morning coffee. I'm gonna sit and see how much I can get read. I think I'm only at page like 50. I ended up not reading a bunch yesterday, but I feel like I read for like an hour and read 50 pages, which for me is pretty fast. So definitely getting through this book quickly because I'm a pretty slow reader. Stunning. Yeah. Look at that, it's stunning. Beautiful, beautiful mango. This mango is literally stunning. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. It is. Like, it's probably one of the best mangoes I've had in a while. Alan, do you want some mango? Yes, please. Okay, let's give her a little taste test. Oh, so good. Have some. Like, this is probably one of the best mangoes I've had in a long time.
Yeah, it is.
Really good. I picked a good one. Yay.
Oh. Are you having toast down?
It's a little bit of a boring yogurt bowl, but we got yogurt, banana, mango, no cinnamon or any like toppings today, but that's okay. Pluto's so funny. As soon as I come to sit on the stairs to look after him, he comes and sits right beside me and stops playing. But my little brother's just coming back from a tube ride. I feel like you can't really see, but they're just coming around the corner and I'm gonna head out for a tube. Yesterday was a little bit choppy, but today the water's like glass. So we're doing some water activities like the tube, we have the kneeboard, and they're just coming back on the boat. Guys, you know how I finished People We Meet on Vacation yesterday? I finished reading it. I walk outside. Guess who's reading it? My mom. I've got a bowl of cherries to match my little cherry t-shirt, little afternoon snack while I read on the dock. Because I've already been in the lake once today and I don't think I'm gonna go back in. Just because it's a little chilly for me, but oh yeah, he's so happy. I'm talking to you.
That one's not very good.
You are such a cutie.
What do you mean?
Said marshmallow? No, not for you. Currently around 7:30 and it's just me and Pluto up this morning. You can probably hear him chomping on his bone in the background. I am determined to finish this book today. I have 50 pages left and we're also heading home at around like 12:31ish. So that means that I have 5 hours to finish this book and then get a decent way through my next book, which I'm trying to decide if I want to start Caravel or Lightlark next, but I am definitely spending the next hour reading the last 50 pages of this book. So far, I have loved it. I think just the fact that there's so many places that I'm like, I know this, I've been here, like I literally live down the street from this, and it's so recognizable is really cute, and I do really like that. And I really like Carly Fortune's writing style. I think it's really cute. I also think the fact that I read this back to back from People We Meet on Vacation, like they're both like time skip, time jump, chapter to chapter books. Our last morning at the cottage. I'm just finishing getting ready for the day. I put on a little bit of light makeup because we are driving home today. The guys went out fishing and I think I'm going to spend my last morning either sitting on the dock and like suntanning or sitting on the dock and reading. But the last morning at the cottage is always bittersweet because it's just so peaceful and quiet and like relaxing up here, and it's always kind of sad to go home, so it's always like trying to push us further, just staying a little bit longer. I think we're probably gonna head out around noon and it's already like 10:30, so don't have much time left. Like we're already all packed up and ready to go, just trying to enjoy the last little bit of sun and like soaking up the cottage on the beach. It really sucks that like our second day here was pretty rainy, and now for the rest of the week it's supposed to be like warm and sunny, but that kind of just is what it is. I have been loving this little cherry t-shirt. I got it from this little online store called In Print We Trust. They have a bunch of like really cute little printed tees, and I think it's just the cutest little bathing suit cover up. I know you guys have seen it almost every single day of this vlog so far. Also, I feel like I just have not been very chatty, and this vlog might be a little bit short but also all over the place, just because I find that the cottage is kind of like that anyways. We don't really do much. We like sit on the beach and chill or go in the lake and cook food, and that's basically the premise of the cottage. It's really chill and I love it up here, and I'm I'm sad that we were only here for like 3.5 days this year, so hopefully next year we can come for longer. But that's what's up this morning. We'll be driving home at some point, probably stopping through Huntsville, so we might grab like lunch or something in there, and I might continue the vlog, so we'll see. But let's go sit on the beach and read.